So Bishop Thomas asked us to give the program for the next year in this house.
因为钟主教有说，希望我们可以提供一下2019年我们想要在这边办些什么活动。
一个
小活动。
First of all, I would like to announce 2 events, one in January and another one in May.
所以我想要先跟大家就是宣布2个活动，一个是在1月，然后一个在6月。
The first one is a session of catechism here.
所以第一个呢是1月，是一个关于教理讲授研习的活动，在这里。
26 and 27 of January.
就是1月26号、27号在这边。
It's a formation which will be given in partnership with our Center of Catechism in the Philippines, Mother of Life.
所以这个培育其实是跟我们在亚洲有一个特别的中心，就是在培育主日学老师的一个中心，联合的一个活动。
And also with the Studium, it's a university in France nearby Venasque, who gives theological courses.
然后我们就是1月26号下这个培育，也是跟我们在法国的我们团体的神学院联合的一个活动。
The formation will be given by a woman, Anne-Marie Le Bourris.
所以我们的讲师是一个法国的女士 Anne-Marie Le Bourris.
She is an international expert in teaching this kind of formation.
她真的是一个国际性的专家，就特别在主日学的讲授上。
Right now, she went to Japan, to the Philippines, and after that to Taiwan for the first time.
对，所以她已经12月已经到了日本，现在在菲律宾，然后接下来就要来到台湾，然后这是她第一次来台湾。
It's for this first formation. There is not really a program. It's looking at the way of Jesus teaching, so that we can be formed after that to be able to teach.
所以下一个就是1月26号下这个活动的主要的目的是先看耶稣是怎么样讲授要理的，先跟耶稣学，然后我们可以用耶稣的方法跟别人分享。
So even if you have not small kids to teach, it's possible if you're interested.
所以即便大家可能没有小朋友是主日学要上主日学，但是还是可以来看看耶稣怎么样教要理。
So you can take this paper and
所以这是我们的那个宣传单，大家可以拿。
I can say that there is a person from Malaysia who comes from the formation here.
所以他已经可以说有一个人从马来西亚要特别来参加这个。
And before there will be 3 days in Taipei.
然后来斗六之前会有3个晚上是在台北
，only in the evening，
但是只有在晚上。
The second event is a retreat here, spiritual retreat.
然后第2个活动是一个闭境在这边，
to prepare ourselves to receive the Holy Spirit around Pentecost.
就是为了可以帮助我们过圣神这样连接。
So the title is 8 and 9 of June.
所以是6月的8号和9号。然后那个主题是和玛利亚一起准备自己领受圣神。
We have other projects, but we are very new here, so it's only project.
所以我们有一些其他的计划，可是因为我们很新嘛，所以都只是计划啦，还不是说很确定。
It's true that Claire Bigot wants to begin with Foi et Lumière, a group for different children.
所以就是我们这边在这边已经来念毕小姐，因为有很多人今天才可以这么的好。
Thank you to you, Bishop Thomas, and also to you. You came from Taichung.
对啊，就是谢谢钟主教，然后谢谢苏主教特别从台中过来。
It's very, very touching.
就是很感动。
And thank you also to the parish of Torio.
然后非常谢谢斗六堂。
Thank you to the choir.
就是谢谢圣咏团。
So Yung Fen is telling me who I should say thank you more precisely. So please say in my name.
对不对 ？Claire 呢？所以也要谢谢福记啊，就是谢谢你们，因为有福记嘛，对不对？谢谢。然后也要谢谢我们每一组的组长，还有帮我们借这个很好的荧幕、很好的投影机，让我们可以很有，特别从台北下来拉小提琴，有没有？还有什么？学校对学校帮忙很多。我们大概很多啦，就是有什么麦克风、椅子，全部打扫，全部，对，学校帮忙很多。
我要说一个秘密。When the bishop said this project, I was thinking, but we have nothing to organize this event.
他是说，当主教说我们要来祝福这边的时候，我们就什么都没有啊，就是不知道要怎么样办这个活动。
We are only 5 bread and 2 fishes.
我们只有在那个身体刊上的5饼2鱼而已。
But thanks to your faith and your love, we were 150, and everybody is able to eat. Thank you so much.
他说，可是因为大家的信德还有爱，所以我们这边有150几个人吧，然后等一下大家还可以吃点点心，所以。
And I would like also to say a special thank you to our parish priest.
然后特别要谢谢吴宗元神父是我们的神父。
You don't listen. He always listen and always welcome. It's beautiful to begin in this diocese with him. Thank you so much, Father.
他说吴神父总是聆听，然后总是欢迎，所以他真的很感动，所以就是真的很谢谢吴神父，然后他觉得很幸运可以在嘉义教区，然后在斗六堂开始我们的生命。
So I am happy to present to you Claire Bigot.
Bigot 法国人，她是毕清芬小姐。
Yeah, and she is the head maîtresse de maison, and it was her first event. And congratulations, Claire.
她说她是这个负责我们这个房子家庭主妇啦，所以这是她办的第一个活动，所以她很棒，要恭喜她。
而且还有永芬在，没有永芬，没有永芬。
还有壮情嘛，因为你的姓名字我很难发音，所以谢谢你们，谢谢。
对，谢谢张晴。
And I don't want really to forget because they are deeply in our heart. Our neighbor on the 3rd floor.
Yes.
对，我们的修女，我们的邻居帮忙很多。
Sister.
谢谢修女。